Predictive maintenance is the most advanced and best performing maintenance strategy. It is about making a maintenance based on the health status of the equipment, detecting early in advance possible failure conditions, and at the same time running the equipment for as long as possible. To check the status of the equipment, one could have initially just a simple visual inspection that gives already a quite good indication. This could be extended with, for example, infrared surveys, which is about identifying the thermal hotspots that we have in the equipment. Removing these hotspots has a significant advantage because not only we prevent a failure to happen, but then we reduce the heat dissipation, so we have energy savings, and at the same time, reduction of the CO2 equivalent emissions. The full predictive maintenance comes from the digital functionality that we insert into the equipment. We create digital asset management solutions that bring the equipment alive. In real time, we can get the health status of the equipment, measuring simple indicators like a temperature, operating and closing time of the breakers. All of these gives the possibility with the data analytics to create the diagnostic messages that can guide the service personnel in the most effective way. So overall, by reducing the failure rate, we have an increase in the resiliency of the grid. At the same time, we introduce savings on the total cost of ownership, and we have a great contribution to the decarbonization.